Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is if you are facing this kind of blue screen error on your VMware workstation while using Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can see the error code as well. Kmode exception not handled. I will show you a simple and effective solution of this error. So what you have to do is open your VMware workstation. I am using VMware 17 as you can see. So what you have to do is, let's suppose this is the operating system in my VMware. I will show you how to fix this error. So select your operating system, then click on this edit virtual machine settings. Now on the left side select this hard disk, and you can see currently the hard disk is NVMe. So this is the error point. So what you have to do is remove this option. Now again click on add, select the hard disk option, then click on next. Now what you have to do is you have to select this SCSI option, then click on next. So there are three disk options. If you want to create a new virtual disk, go for the first one, and if you already have a virtual disk, choose the second option. I will go for the first one. It will create a new virtual disk, then click on next, enter the hard disk size, then click on next, click on finish. That's it. So this is your new hard disk in SCSI. So do this method and it will fix that blue screen error. This is all for the video. After that click on OK. That's it. Cut this window. So this is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechBite. Have a nice day.